Hi, this is Keith Sorem with Keith Sorem and Associates at Keller Realty, and this is the real estate market report for La Cañada, Flintridge for April 2014. We use a market activity index to evaluate what's actually going on in the market. This is not basically values, but it's movement, new listings, new pending transactions, and for sold. For example, we looked at the market activity index. It decreased 5 points to 0.85. Basically, the lower the index, the more we're heading towards a buyer's market. And we had 33 new listings in April compared to 24 in March and 36 a year ago. Overall, for the last year, values have been going up, so that would explain why more new listings are coming on the market. Of course, when you have more supply, that usually lowers demand and prices come down. So it's interesting. One of the tools we use to measure how healthy a market is what we call the pending ratio. The pending ratio is the percent of homes that receive accepted offers in 30 days. There were 27 new pending listings this month. That's up from last month of 21 and also up from last year, 19. The pending ratios, though, shifted down, 81.8% in April compared to 87.5% in March versus 52%. So we're better off than we were last year, but we're not as good as we were the last month. Does that indicate that the market could be slowing a little bit? Well, we have some other indicators. First of all, we had 23 homes sell compared to 20 in March and 19 last year. However, as the pending ratio declines, that means there'll be fewer sold homes in the future. So if that were to continue, that could be a sign the market's softening. Now, La Cañada is not a large market. Therefore, a few large homes that sell or small homes that sell can affect averages. The median sale price for single-family homes actually declined from 1.56 million in March down to 1.24 million in April. And that is compared to 1.35 million last year. So that gave us a decrease of 8.1%. Now, in March, the increase was 24.3%. And as I said, a few large sales or small sales, either way, can affect those averages. Another tool that we use to evaluate value is the average sale price per square foot. This indicator is not as reliable in a community like La Cañada because the home size and the lot size varies a great deal from property to property. But it gives us another way to look at the market. And as you look at this, we had a drop. It was $541 in April, down from $573 in March compared to $468 a year ago. So it sort of mirrors the same thing as median sale price, in that we had an increase year on year actually of 15.5%, but down from March at 19%. The big news is the shift in inventory. The month ended at 2 months of inventory, up from 1.8 compared to 2.6. And these may not seem like very large increments of inventory change, but what you'll find is that as these different metrics begin to add up, it can cause us to get a picture of where the market's headed. And right now, it certainly would appear that we could be in for a market shift in La Cañada. Interest rates are still very, very favorable, so it's an excellent time to buy. And if you have a specific question about your situation, either purchasing a home or selling a home in the area, please either give us a call at 888-284-2056 or come visit us online at beautifulverdugohomes.com. We'd be happy to try to answer your questions. Thanks for watching and have a great day.